Hello guys, how are you doing? In this video I'm gonna be comparing two huge companies by the name of Samsung and Apple. And so now let's watch them. Founded by Samsung Lee Byung-chul, Apple is Steve Jobs. Founded at Samsung 28 years old, Apple 21 years old. Lisa Foundation, Samsung South Korea, Apple United States. Start Samsung 1938, Apple 1976. Active years Samsung 1938 to present, Apple 1976 to present. Motto and logo Samsung Imagine, Apple Think Different. Headquarters Samsung, Seoul, South Korea, Apple, Cupertino, US. Here are the chief executive officer of both companies. First phone model Samsung SGH100, Apple iPhone. First tablet model Samsung Galaxy Tab 2010, Apple iPhone. First smartwatch Samsung Gear 2013, Apple Watch 2015. Total employees Samsung 287, 450, Apple 147,000. Average salary per year Samsung $70,000, Apple $143,000. Best-selling smartphone Samsung Galaxy S4, Apple iPhone 6 Plus. Most expensive phone Samsung Galaxy Fold 2, Apple iPhone 12 Pro Max. Revenue 2020 Samsung $55 billion, Apple $274 billion. Company net worth Samsung $520 billion, Apple $2.4 trillion. Daily income Samsung $150 million, Apple $750 million. Both of them are rival with each other. Here are the social media followers of both companies, including Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. Thank you all guys for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, you can share it, comment down below. Stay tuned for my next video. Bye for now.